your favorite hairstylist, Beau, and welcome to Salon Talk with me, where you're not my woe days, but you're my Beau days. I'm your lifestyle vlogger extraordinaire, where we talk all things salon talk. So let's get into the video for today. I do not believe in sleeping in wigs, y'all. It is so bad for you. Do not sleep in a wig. Please don't. Please try your best not to. Get you a glueless. If you're gonna get it sewed down, put a stocking cap under it so that it's not causing friction to where your hair be shorter in the front, longer in the back, or you're losing your edges or anything. Bobby pin down, tuck and fold back your sides, and then bobby pin. You know, these are just the healthiest. I know a lot of time y'all don't want to hear that because y'all want them laid. Y'all want to be servant. Like, stop, girl, stop. You're gonna be fucking out here old when we have to wear them, because when I was growing up, the only people who used to wear wigs was the little old people who hair was receding. Wasn't no young people wearing wigs, so I'm leaning my head back because I don't want that orange to go in my face. I'm just let it, because baby, I had evened her down. Ooh, see, I like my edges, honey. Y'all, this looks so crazy. And then I like to come in and just kind of spray to loosen all that up. Honestly, this is what you should do. Because look, my stocking cap came off under my head because I'm not gluing all that down for no ball cap method and all that shit. I don't normally sleep in wigs. You shouldn't. Anytime after I take off my wigs, I like to put some argan oil or some Vaseline on my edges while I sleep. I don't know. That's just what I like to do. Keeping them healthy. Y'all look at my hair. I'm so ready for a cut. I really want to do like a little short bob. I used to have one and it was blonde. And I liked that. It's just I don't want all the upkeep. Y'all, I really do know how to do hair. Because I'm a licensed cosmetologist. It is what it is. I got to color these children's hair on Saturday. I told them I was going to do the other two. I might do mine. I just don't. I really been wanting to go black, even though black is not my natural color, but I don't know. I put that orange stuff in my hair, and it's, of course, the little bit of moisture, baby. This shit gonna curl and wave up on you. So before I be in here looking like I got a jerry curl, before I be in here to my just let your soul glow, I'm gonna go pick up my man. I smell like orange citrus, but that's okay. Him say he missed me. I was like, I miss me too. You know, with cosmetology, you learn different things, like people with blood pressure issues, diabetes, high cholesterol, just different things. You do medical strippers on their hair. People that have thin hair, they typically will say you have like a vitamin D deficiency, you know, but I don't know. What I would say is go get your blood work done, get it checked on, because I have. She's responding back. You're welcome, boo. I have noticed when I take my vitamin D, my hair is thicker. So today I'm doing two heads. I got dirty towels there that I need to wash. And don't forget, I'm going to renovate in here. So it's going to look real different. Anyways, so she is wanting, where's your inspiration picture? Basically like an undercut color. So about color just at the bottom and this on the top. But we do have some previous color here. So we're going to just figure it out and get it going. Probably not going to show y'all step by step. I'm doing 1 ounce of color to 1.5 ounces of cream developer. I'm using my Paul Mitchell cream developer. You do not need any bleach with this unless you were going to bleach the hair prior. We're just doing color. So, and being that this is new growth and everything, I really don't want to put that much bleach all over her head. And there's really no need to when I can just simply do the color on deposit. You'll let this sit 40 minutes for the application time to process. And where she's been previously bleached, I'm just going to put that color on there and then in those little places instead of cutting it out or dyeing it back to her natural camera. All right, y'all. So I'm also going to, where I had this blonde in my wig, I'm gonna do it with some of the same copper because we wound up having some color left. I have pulled the rubber bands out, y'all, but Sydney didn't realize her copper was going to be this color. She wanted something, I guess, more blondish or whatever, which I don't know. But that child got some thick ass hair, and her hair came out really pretty and silked. Here's the color on my wig, so this is going to be perfect for fall. This is her before. Let's see your hair, child. Ooh, that's her before. Same setup from yesterday. Just new day, different child. With her, because she's going with this red color, I have to bleach her first, shampoo that out, let it dry a little bit, and then I'll come back in and, just to tell y'all about the process, I'll come back in and apply the dye. If we want it to be super vibrant. Now, she does currently have some color on there. We could just direct dye and see what it does. It just depends on how bright she wants it.
I want it to be like vibrant, but not like aerial vibrant. Does that make sense?
I mean, it's definitely gonna be a color. Let's sit down and see what you got. Let's see what you got first. Okay. Because what I have is gonna lift you three colors that you previously had.
If I sing, do you get copyrighted?
No, Tony. You're not the actual artist.
All right.
What the fuck? Yeah, we gonna be right back because this child here, she is foiled out. The pattern that I did is like diagonals in the back. It'll kind of be like ducktailed, like a V, right? See, let me show y'all. Well, y'all can't really see the way I've sectioned it. That way, it'll be bright and cute in certain spots, and then everywhere where it's her natural color, we are going to take that color application through the hair and just let it do us a natural tint all the way through. So, all right, y'all, we are now Ruby Red by Joico, like shades of red, and you'll actually see it when I go ahead and round brush her and stuff. It's cute, and she wear a middle part, so it's cute. It'll hold up pretty good. One. All right, y'all. Look at that glass-like little hair. Super pretty. Got volume. We ain't gonna show from the front because she having like a little eczema breakout. It angles, different angles and stuff, so look. Yeah. All right, girl, swatching that hair. She's switching that hair. We are home from CC's. I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all because we're finally straightening her hair. So hopefully I can give y'all some good lighting in here. We still have the kind of ginger to the top, or it's like a ginger blonde actually. And then we have this pinkish color. I forgot the name of the color. Magenta, I'm sorry. In there, and let me see. Can I show y'all here? In the back, I kind of like, so it's almost like a tri-color. I left a little bit of her roots dark, so there's like a play on there. We don't have to color that as much and overstress the hair. We're straightening it out. Super cute. It's got the dimension and everything. She's got way more blonde in it. I mean, copper, ginger copper. What I said? I'm sorry. She's got more ginger coming down at the tops. You know, a little bit on the sides with the magenta. So I'll show y'all when it's done. We're not curling it or anything, just straightening it. And then I'm gonna dust her ends if she act right. All right, y'all. I don't know what the color temperature is in the room because the light in here at nighttime is really not. So we've went in, got all her. I just dusted it to get the ends together. Let me see. So y'all can see the contrast of her hair, right? It's really pretty, y'all. The color of it. She didn't want it curled, so we're not curling anything. But if y'all can see that, then baby, you is in for a treat, because it is Gorge. Let me see. Super pretty. So however she pulls it up, whatever. And then I'm just gonna bring it out to the front and double check it real quick, and we good because we both tired. Hey Jim, thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye!